installation, maintenance, service of air conditioning system, and supply material and equipment air conditioning system. Moreover, our wide range of technical and management expertise enable us to incorporate the best commercial practice for the proper and safety functioning of the system. So this is our vision and mission. So our vision is Rmr Air will grow and has at least one branch in every state in Malaysia with a good quality service and product provided by our efficient trained and experienced technicians, and also to provide safe and better place to work for our employees. So our mission is to be a supplier provider, understand the client market expectation and explore innovative with cost effective with faster delivery with quality assurance. So this is our business description. Name of business is Rmr Air Conditioning. So our company warehouse or office address is Jalan Batam Baru, Baham. And then this is our website. We have a website rmraircon@yahoo.com. So date of operation is 10 July 2022. So our model is 278,400. So our main activity is service, installation, and supply air conditioning. So this is our logo, Rmr Air Conditioning. So Rmr Air Conditioning, known as Rmr Air Conditioning, is currently a partnership company and was incorporated on 10 July 2022. The company is also registered with the Construction Industry Development Board of Malaysia, we call CID, under grade G2 Mechanical and G7 Electrical license, and also registered with Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia, or we call SSM. Rmr Air Conditioning price is therefore processing the expertise in the supply air conditioning, installation and service of air conditioning system, and supply material and equipment air conditioning as well. Moreover, our wide range of technical and management expertise enable us to incorporate the best commercial practice for the proper and safety functioning of the system. We highly emphasize the implementation of preventative and planned maintenance in order to ensure smooth running and safety as well. To prolong the lifespan of equipment and economize the daily operation cost of energy and replacement of parts. I want to introduce my partner wants to explain our capitalization, Mr. Amirul.
Capitalization Rmr Conditioning expect to rise RM to 200,400 in own capital. This provides the good current financing required. Rmr Conditioning shall be able to break even in the for-sale version as sales continue to increase. Profit for this level expected to be about RM6,000 in years. One year RM8,400, in 2 years RM10,800, in 3 years RM12,000, in 4 years RM40,400, in 5 years RM18,400, and 6 years and 20,400. In year 7, the company does not anticipate and cash flow problem. Collection salary for Hanirul Hafifi bin Hamidon. This company employed in 7 years work. This is collection salary. Year 1 hingga year 7. Year 1 total collection ni akan 69,600. This Mohammad Amirul company work. Total collection year 1 to year 7 around 69,600. Ahmad Syafiq bin Azman year 1 to year 7 collection around 69,600. And last, Azim bin Sukirman year 1 to year 7 total collection around 69,600. This is total profit partnership. Total for person we have around 268,400. I pass to Azim to start business.
This is people inside in the business. Manager is Mohamad Sukirman. Chef Financial Mohamad Amirul Zahaimi. Installation and Casing Manager Official Mohamad Syafiq bin Azman. Installation and Service System Manager Mohamad Hafifi bin Hamidon. On the people inside the business in Rmr Air Conditioning service, they are board organization that show manager and execution of work on they having to take as responsibility. Rmr Air Conditioning is established in Pahang State. It is jointly owned and managed by 4 partners. Mohammad, Azim, Sukirman has responsibility to control and manage work in Rmr Air Conditioning, extensive experience and sales, marketing and management, who serve in Chief Financial Officer for the Rmr Mohamad, Amirul bin Mohamad, Installation and Processing Manager Office for the Rmr SPE, Ahmad Syafiq bin Azman, Installation and Service System Manager, Hanirul bin Hamidon. People organization support the business. As a new business, we have a few people who support our business. These people are our older manager before we have to start our business. Some of them are our lecturer who have to train, teach and develop our potential in ventilation air conditioning. These people always give motivation about this business and how to manage company. First, perkhidmatan awalnya Electric Jaya, second, Wet Electrical and Air Conditioning Engineering, third, Malaysia Airport, Corporate Office secara corporate KLIA, fourth is Full Air Conditioning Service and Training, five, Zahaimi Bank. marketing plan. This marketing plan for Rmr Air Conditioning sale and supply and service has been created by on the Rmr Air Conditioning will launch only 7 years later. The partnership founder has experienced great than anticipate demand for product research and knowledge about market and about air conditioning. Product Rmr Air Conditioning choose a brand such Exxon, York, Daikin, Top Air, Carrier, Hitachi and Panasonic. We choose the latest brands, function and new spec to make our customer interest and long last. Rmr Air Conditioning communicate with customer about the product and service in a variety of ways. Information available in the internet, Facebook, email, call, send card to house and in person. That requires little test and a lot of creativity by Rmr Air Conditioning. It is because the enterprise is flexible organization. The firm easily implement ideas such as free service 3 months for a new installation aircon. And price Rmr Air Conditioning selling and servicing of product according to the latest market price. Rmr Air Conditioning also keep abreast of the need of user about in all aspects. We give advice to customer about air conditioning and offer them the best unit and suitable for customer. This we are retailer selling thought intermediate. We took our product from wholesaler. All activity we do all direct from wholesaler. They send to us direct from their shop at Jalan Pematang Badak Baru, Taman Bukit Rangi, Kuantan Pahang. Our wholesaler take their product from manufacturer. Manufacturer is a place that create and product the aircon. Promotion. Rmr Conditioning promote the business with networking, business card, poster, flyer and brochure. It is because many beginning business use networking and poster to tell the customer that we are. We have our own Facebook to let the customer know details about our business and what kind of service we are doing. For business card, we go to the house, sending the business card to our customer house. Many entrepreneurs tend to overlook the smaller type and test marketing ideas that are still very effective. Flyer and brochure we give at people down in Kuantan Pahang. Email and Facebook business website can have to many other benefits besides the customer. Find us online. So we will set up a newsletter sign up box to start with and email database. Then use this to send our weekly or weekly mail to your list informing them about your latest special, interesting content or new competition that you are currently running. Everyone it's fun, so we will put some time into making our mailer stand out to and we would the open. Operating plan and gravity.
Operating plan. Rmr Azim will operate at Kuantan Pahang. Our type of shop is office, warehouse. Rmr Air Conditioning choose this place or location source this location near which shopping complex and near which the house and shop lot. It is to make sure our customer easy to find our shop and easy to make a decision. Discussion. This is plan list of equipment, air conditioning 1 horsepower, air conditioning 1.5 horsepower, 2 horsepower, double stack heater, gas cylinder, gas cylinder R22, R134A, and Cooper. That's all. Table of salary. Mr. Mohammad Azim bin Sukirman, the position is manager, salary 5,000, KRST 480, peso 80, total 556, 5,056, 556. Mohammad Amirul bin Mohammad Zahaimi, the position is Chief Financial Manager, salary 5,000, KRST 480, peso 80, total 5,560 ringgit. Hafifi bin Hamidon, position is Installation and Purchasing Manager, salary 5,000, KWSP 480, peso 18 ringgit. Total 5,560 ringgit. Ahmad Syafiq dan Azman, Installation Circuit System Manager, salary 4,000, KWSP 480, peso 18 ringgit. Total 5,560 ringgit. Total 22,240 ringgit. Sell procedure. Consumer come to shop and description with consumer what type of condition capacity or air conditioning that they need. Consumer buy air conditioning, delivery the air conditioning, install the air conditioning, and procedures scheduling of servicing, waiting consumer response, and consumer satisfied. Set installation complete. Service procedure. Consumer calling for help. Discussion with consumer. Go to the location. Check the air conditioning. Then servicing. Next run. The air conditioning. Waiting consumer response. Customer satisfied. Procedure. Invoice receipt. Service complete. This we proceed to our
the brochure